Form the pair of linear equation in following problems and find their solutions graphically. So first is 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, okay, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, so 10 students took part in mathematics quiz. Okay, let number of girls equals to x, number of boys equals to y, then x plus y equals to 10 will be the first equation because total students are 10. Number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. मतलब number of boys अगर y है तो y plus 4 हो जाएगा number of girls. This will be the two equations. X plus y equals to 10 first equation, or x plus y minus 10 equals to 0. This will be the first equation. X minus y minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, this is the second equation. Okay, I am leaving this question here. The question further is find their solution graphically. So what you will do is draw the graph of this both equations and find the solution. So remaining part you will finish, complete and send me on when you will submit the homework. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, has everybody copied the equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second part, 5 pencils and 7 pen together cost rupees 50. 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and of 1 pen. Okay. So let cost of 1 pencil equals to x, rupees x. Cost of 1 pen equals to y. अब ये बोल रहा है 5 पेंसिल, अगर एक पेंसिल की कॉस्ट x रुपीज है तो 5 पेंसिल की कॉस्ट होगी 5x. एक पेन की कॉस्ट y रुपीज है तो this will 7 pens will cost 7y. This then total cost is 50. So this will be the first equation. Similarly 7x plus 5y equals to 46. This will be the second equation. You have to plot this both and find the solution graphically. We can write it in standard form. Okay, 7x plus 5y minus 46 0. इसको प्लॉट करके और आंसर फाइंड करना है. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन टू we have already discussed the first two parts कि on comparing the ratios of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at point are parallel or coincident. Two parts we have already discussed. So this all three parts you will do systematically and solve. Okay, question 2 I am not doing here. Question 3, one part I will be doing and remaining parts you will be doing. On question 3, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. 3x plus equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 7. फर्स्ट स्टेप ये होना चाहिए, हम इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. ओके, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. अब हम a1, b1 और c1 की वैल्यूज निकालेंगे. a1 is 3, b1 is 2, c1 is minus 5, a2 is 2, b2 is minus 3, c2 is minus 7. We have to check whether they are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent मतलब यूनिक सोल्यूशन भी हो सकता है, इनफाइनाइट सोल्यूशन भी हो सकता है. a1 by a2, b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. That means it has unique solution and the equations are consistent. Okay, so in similar way you will do remaining parts. All the remaining parts you will do. So question number 4, first part, writing the equation and writing them in standard form. Okay, a1, b1, c1. a1 is 1, 1 क्यों है? बिकॉज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज 1, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इज 1 एंड c1 इज -5. a1 is 1, b1 is 1 and c1 is -5. a2 is 2, b2 is 2 and c2 is -10. Okay, now we have to check a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 again 1 by 2 and c1, that is also -10 actually. c1 by c2 -5 by -10, that is equal to again 1 by 2. So which is this case?
Infinite solution consistent.
Yes, infinitely many solutions it has. Okay, and this is also consistent pair. Okay, consistent pair of equations. Now what you have to do here is you have to obtain it graphically. Anyway infinite many solutions है तो कोई एक solution नहीं आएगा, इसके बहुत सारे solutions आएंगे. तो जो भी हमारा ग्राफ बनेगा दोनों लाइंस एक के ऊपर एक लाई करेगी. x plus y equals to 5 अगर सपोज ऐसा बनता है ग्राफ, तो दूसरा ग्राफ भी इसके ऊपर ही लाई करेगा. तो कितने पॉइंट्स कॉमन है दोनों लाइन पे? दोनों लाइन के इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स कॉमन है. देयरफॉर इट इज सेड infinitely many solutions. Okay, similarly you have to do remaining parts. Question 4, remaining parts you will complete. Okay, now coming to question 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36 meter. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle is given by which formula? Who will say?
2 into L
Ma'am,
plus
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. Okay, good. Half the perimeter is 36. मतलब perimeter by 2, that is equal to 2L plus B upon 2 is equal to 36. Okay, so that means L plus B equals to 36. Let length equals to x, breadth equals to y. So first equation is x plus y equals to 36. Okay, now length is 4 more than its width. Okay, तो x क्या है? width से 4 ज्यादा है. So this is the second equation. We'll write it in standard form. What the equations? X plus y minus 36 equals to 0. X minus y minus 4 equals to 0. Find the dimensions of the garden. Okay, here in this question it is not specifically mentioned that by which formula you have to do. So you can do it by any method. You can do by elimination method, by substitution or by graphical method. Okay, so completing work of this question you will do as homework and we'll discuss this all in next class. So you can copy till here. Everybody can copy till here. Then I'm going to discuss next question. Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question 6. Given the linear equation, write another linear equation in two variable such that geometrical representation of pairs so formed is intersecting. एक इक्वेशन दी है, हमको एक और इक्वेशन लिखना है such that they are intersecting lines. ठीक है, intersecting lines कब होगी? a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. तो we can just choose a2 और b2. ये तो हो गया a1, b1 और c1. हमको दो वैल्यूज a2 और b2 ऐसी चूज करना है कि ये सिचुएशन ट्रू होना चाहिए. सो सपोज आई एम चूजिंग 3x plus 4y minus 2 equals to 0. तो 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 4. बस ये इसका आंसर हो जाएगा. सेकेंड है पैरेलल लाइंस. पैरेलल के लिए कंडीशन होती है a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 plus 10 equals to 0. ये इक्वेशन लिख देंगे तो a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 आएगा but not equal to c1 by c2. There can be many answers for this question. One of the answer I am writing. Okay, coincident line. Coincident lines means a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. So just multiply the entire equation by any number and write. कोइंसिडेंट के लिए हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं. सपोज आई एम डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय 2, तो ये हो जाएगा दिस. अब 2 by 4 equals to 3 by 6. equals to -8 by -16. तो सब केस में 1/2 आएगा. So this will be coincident line. Okay. Now last question. Can I change the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question 7. Draw the graphs of the equation and determine the coordinates of vertices of the triangle formed by this line and x-axis and shade the triangular region. So basically two equations are given. X minus y plus 1 equals to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. तो जब इन लाइंस को प्लॉट करेंगे, I don't know exact solution, but roughly this way. Suppose one line is there, other line is there this way. तो हमको क्या करना है यहाँ पे कि determine the coordinates of vertices formed by these lines. Suppose ये वाली लाइन ऐसी है, ये वाली लाइन ऐसी है, तो ये तो दोनों लाइंस हो गई. और x axis is this line, this is x axis. So we have to shade the triangular region. That means the region which is common between these two lines and x-axis that we have to shade, plus we have to write coordinates of these points of the triangle. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is just an example. Like I have assumed it, I have not plotted it with the data. This you will plot it and find the answer. Okay. So